Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic bun on yourself. There is no experience with hair required for this style, but make sure to check out all my other videos to learn new styles. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We will begin our basic bun by putting your hair into a ponytail, combing out any bumps to make it smooth. This will give your hair a nice, sleek style. Now we will twist our ponytail and wrap it around its base. This is going to be the very start of any basic bun. It doesn't matter which way you twist, just make sure to wrap it around the opposite direction you twisted. Insert your bobby pins along the way to secure the loose ends. This will be important in any style, but especially in a bun. Always insert your bobby pins as you go. Your hair may fall out if you wait until the end. Many of these pinups involve hiding your bobby pins in your hair. Find colors and sizes that work best for your hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more styles, head to Braid Inspiration on Instagram.